Hold on. 1913. The fuck? I just said. I'm just playing. Shout out to any of my Delta followers that make. Whew, baby. He spent a number on this bag. There's a clamp that allows you to detach. All right. So this is giving mom vibes. Like, come on, kids. Gotta pick my kids up, you know. Can't be late. You know, to be charging late fees and shit now. So you can also detach this chain. You'll detach it here. And then you can also take off this, literally this, the whole bag can be naked, because that's basically what it's saying.
Put your head on my shoulder. Hold me.
Welcome to my channel.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time tuning in, I want to say thank you for clicking on this video. If you are a returning supporter or subscriber, I want to say thank you as always for yet again clicking on this video and supporting my channel. I'm your host who's about to do a luxury unboxing from a brand that I've never purchased from or own anything of. Free. One thing about it, two things for sure. I've been dishing out a lot of travel content, so I'm just like, Brie, before you decide to do anything else, like, you know, you need to give the girls what the girls need. And what the girls need, for those who are asking, is some unboxings, because baby, I got them, okay? So I received this as a gift, but the good thing about this gift, and that I explained to y'all in this unboxing, is I didn't just like get this as a gift like, hey Brie, here goes the bag that you wanted. It's like, no, like we both went together to Lenox Mall inside of the Prada store, and I was able to like basically pick out the bag that, you know, I had previously went and looked at on my own.
You expensive, you know.
So I walked away with the bag, with the guy who bought it for me, you know, side by side, and I was a happy girl. Because of the sales associate, that's the reason why I ended up securing like my eye on this bag, because she was knowledgeable enough and willing to help me in regards to getting this bag. Because let's talk about it, if you shop in luxury stores or retails, then you know, like, if they like, since like you ain't got no money, or like you not finna, you know, spend money on that bag like right then and there on the item or the item, then they really won't give you the time of the day. And that's just like, no shade, that's all tea. For those who shop in luxury stores, then like you feel what I'm talking about. So I'm just very thankful that the sales associate was kind enough and took her time and informing me about the history of Prada, about the history of this bag, because it's a ReEdition bag, you know, just so that way when I'm wearing this expensive ass item, like, you know, I know what the fuck is tea. Because Prada is known for their nylon bags, it was like nylon, 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 nylon. Like everything nylon was like in my face. And the reason why I didn't get a nylon bag is just because I just don't like how squishy like the nylon material is, but that's what Prada is known for. To me, the squishiness just gave off more of a like cheap vibe, I guess, because I think every other bag that I have has some form of canvas or leather. So I just want to kind of stick on that train. And during my shopping experience, I just seen this bag like sitting up there like, ah. It was sitting on like some little purse mannequin, and I was like, I think I want that bag. So when she brought it down, we didn't talk about price or anything, but in my head, I'm like, this bag can't be that much, baby. That bag was one of the not like most expensive ones, but this was a very expensive bag. Like, I think this is the most expensive luxury item that I own. So like, I'm gonna cherish this bag. Y'all know how I am when it comes to my materialistic things. Like, I cherish those babies to the death of me. You know, now that I'm 28, you know, I just feel like, you know, I'm starting this new chapter. I'm single. You know, I just want to kind of like switch up the swag a little bit. It's not gonna be switched up to like the max, because you know, like my style is still gonna be very simple. As you can see, I still rock my athleisure wear all day every day, you know, bodycon dresses all day every day. But just know one thing about it, two things for sure: I'm gonna have that luxury high-end handbag somewhere on my body, or either some luxury shoes or luxury accessories. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's my type of like fashion. So in regards to the bag, it has Prada, Milano. Ooh, hold on. 1913. The fuck? I just said. I'm just playing. Shout out to any of my Delta followers that may be watching this video. All loves to you, boo boo. I don't know why, but I see Milano a lot. I think this stands for like Milan, Italy, because Prada was made in Milan, Italy. I do save my ribbons. I save my my bags. I save the box. I save everything. A lot of people who are getting into more like luxury handbags, luxury designer items, they are actually selling previous pieces and using that money to then get a new piece. So like, that is the wave that I'm currently on. So just stay tuned and check out for some upcoming videos, because I will be selling a few of my luxury items that I no longer deem as my vibe, I guess. So I don't know, I don't want to break the seal, but I gotta break the seal, because how am I gonna give y'all the unboxing if I don't break the seal? But they have like this seal on it, and I don't want to do it. Hold on, how does she work? Or do I just do it like that? And for my DIY people out there, y'all know there is so much that you can do with these ribbons. So I definitely am going to be saving this for a future DIY project. You know, this is a step up. You know what I'm talking about? Next maybe Chanel or something. Next maybe Chanel or something. It's a lot of gap, you know, but that's just how they package their stuff. So it's just like dust bag, bag. Dust bag, expensive ass bag, you know, on the inside. Whew, baby, he spent a number on this bag. With the gross amount, like what you'll see online and what they'll quote you, you know, in store, is the bag is $2,050, right? Cool. But they do have an 8% sales tax, so the bag came down in total $2,232.45. So the exact name for my Prada bag, because that's very important, is it is a Prada ReEdition 2005 Saffiano leather bag. And again, like I said, this bag comes in a nylon version, which is a lot more affordable. And then it comes in the leather bag that looks a lot more sleeker, in my opinion. It just gives you more of that older, classier, grown woman vibes. So the bag comes in slate, which is gray. To me, it looks gray. It comes in cameo beige, and then it comes in black. The description I'll place on the screen, because I ain't finna read all of that. But I don't know if I like that. Like, I don't know if I like that. You know, there's no tissue. There's no suspense. It's just like dust bag, there you go. Like, I don't know if I like that product. That's my true, like, authentic, like, you know, impressions of the unboxing. Like, I don't like that. Like, I need to unbox the tissue paper. Like, who the fuck don't unbox tissue paper for an expensive ass bag? I need to unbox the tissue paper. I need to smell the product, okay? I may be asking for too much, but like, this was an expensive ass bag. So this is my baby. Y'all know I like to kiss my babies. I have on lip gloss, so I'm not gonna like kiss her, but I'm a kisser. All right, so it's a lot going on with this bag, so I'm gonna try to break it down as best as I can. There's multiple ways that you can wear the bag. So first things first, let's talk about it like this as a whole. Me personally, when it comes like this, or when you do decide to wear it crossbody, it gives more of a streetwear vibe. So because the coin case is going this way, that's why you will always want to wear the bag this way. I mean, you can switch it up if you want to the other way on your crossbody, but let's just do what it do. Why be complicated, right? There's a clamp that allows you to detach. All right, so boom. Then you take it under. Okay, boom. So then you can clamp it back. Then you detach this. And then for my people who are like on the go, really like I said, so we're gonna test and see, even though I've already tested in the store before I purchased it. Your ID, debit card, and probably, I don't know, a few other, like, you know, travel size items can fit in here, and then you can really just attach it to, you know, your belt buckle or the way that I'm wearing this current Prada bag would go well with the outfit that I have on. I have on a Nike outfit. Shout outs to Nike. Sponsor your girl, Nike woman. So this is giving mom vibes. Like, come on, kids. Gotta pick my kids up, you know. Can't be late, you know, to be charging late fees and shit now. This is definitely giving mom vibes. It's giving mom vibes because you're gonna have to keep, like, let me get that. It has Prada embedded just on this side of the bag, not on this side, and also not on the inside. It has Prada embedded here as well. And then on the flap, it has Prada ReEdition 2005. And I don't know why my bag has a dent in it though. Fuck! I don't know. Prada Milano DAL 1913. This chain does not look rustic. It does not look old, out of date. Like, it's definitely giving luxury vibes. Bitch, me and my bag are gone, okay? Look at what you talking about. Jerome, I'm not finna do this again with you. You do this every fucking time, bro. Every time. Okay, cool. Give me my son. We're going. Come on. Pack your bags. Let's go. Because this nigga got me fucked up. You know, like, is it not giving? Is it not giving a boss bitch on her shit? The fuck? I don't know how to act. You talking about? Alright, so just so that way y'all can see what I'm doing, I'm detaching. Don't motherfucking break a nail. So this fully detaches the strap. Get the strap, get the strap, get the strap, get the strap. Hey. And so you can wear your Prada ReEdition bag like this. Now this is very elegant because with this, with the bag being this way with just the chain, you can wear it. Bam. This is giving very much so like I'm going to a wedding, I'm going to a private dinner, bitch, I'm getting on them fucking yacht. Like, it's giving very like upscale, chic, classy vibes. If I have on heels, I feel like, you know, best believe I will be wearing my Prada bag in this form. The modelers and stuff be taking pictures and they be like, what they be saying? You know, like, that's like a whole new pose now. So you can also detach this chain. You'll detach it here. And then you can also take off this, literally this, the whole bag could be naked, because that's basically what it's saying. Inside the bag, it comes with another dust bag. I definitely am going to make use of this. I make use of all my dust bags to this day. Accessories, you can probably use it for glasses, you know, like to hold your sunglasses or your regular reading glasses. You know, like because of the size, you can do a lot travel size wise with this bag, with this dust bag. Okay, so this I think is proper maintenance of the bag. So for example, it says to preserve the original quality of this product, avoid exposure to extreme heat, and damp clean when necessary with a soft dry cloth, and store preferably in the bag provided. This I present to you as the authentication card, okay? So play with me if you want to. Don't play with me. I'm not one of them. What Lil Baby say? I'm not one of them. I hope Lil Baby said that. I hope he did, because if not, I'm a little real stupid. Let me show you what the inside is looking like. Hello in there. Y'all, this ain't got no pockets on the inside. It's so black in here. I probably overlooked it when I was looking because I was so happy to get the bag, but I thought it would have had a zipper on the inside. You know, me and my bag, we gotta get acquainted or whatever. She's new to the household, so you know, I gotta break her in. I gotta introduce her to everybody else. Thank you yet again for tuning in to another video luxury unboxing. Let me know what you think of this bag below in the comments. If you have this bag in nylon or in leather, let me know. If you are thinking about getting this bag after watching this video, let me know. So I have a lot more luxury unboxings coming to a channel near you. So turn on your post notifications, comment down below, share this video, subscribe to the channel.